Where's the Kung Fu stickers then? Oh, fucking hate it, dude. Yeah! Oh, stigmata over here.
I got fucking destroyed right now. I was going hella fast. I'm like, I'm good, dude. I just gotta keep manually. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna put the wheels down. And I was like, fucking done, dude. I just went. If I kept going faster.
Look at his forearm. He clearly slid for days.
I swear to God, dude, I was fucking done. Look at this shit. Hold on. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Andy.
Hold on, wait till the car passes.
I don't care.
That thing ruined your day.
It ruined my day. That was awesome because it didn't even hurt. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit.
Damn, son.
I asked you where the road rash begins, bro.